Here's me and Corn Dog sitting by the fire together. I think he thinks we're a little bit too close. Corn Dog? Okay, well, hang on. He's like, I think my fur will catch on fire. He's like, no, let me out. Yeah. I guess I can't say that I blame him. If I had as much fur as him, I wouldn't want to be very close to the fire either. Let me see that little bird.
I just throw it in the fire.
Would you like to go into the fire, birdie? You would?
It's annoying.
La doo 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 doo. Don't throw me into the fire, into the fire. Don't throw me into bird hell, please. No, no, no. I'm gonna throw you into bird hell. No! Please don't throw me in the bird hell. I've been a good birdie. How do I know you've been a good birdie? You've been very irritating. I haven't been irritating. I haven't been irritating. Yes, you have, little birdie. So I'm going to throw you in the bird hell. I think he's in the bird hell. He's dying. Where did he go? Into the bird hell! Into bird hell!